Even though you may solve 50 problems, you can create $1 million funnel off of one problem. And I know that because that's what we did. The one problem that I solve for people is that doing how-to content over and over and over again has kept them stuck. That's been the one problem we've built a multi-million-dollar business off of. And I do so much more than help people figure out what content to do besides how-to content. But we have one theme throughout our launch, and that is our theme. Yes, I might talk about other little things, but overall, that is our theme. How-to educational content over and over and over again is why you're stuck. That is our theme. And I start exposing ways to get out of that. But also promises, too. So we will have Jenna after lunch come on today. But one of the things with beta launches is I don't want you to do a webinar teaching and promising everything that you do. Pick one specific problem, just one tiny specific problem that they will have fixed by the end of the webinar. And the reason why I love focusing on small promises like that, because if you do 50 things and you do an entire funnel off of one problem, that means you have 49 other problems to expose while you have them on the webinar. You guys understand how important that is?